Hi peeps, so glad you are part of this. In this voice cover video, 25 divided by 5, which equals 5, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Now we have this problem, 5 divided by 5, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 25 divided by 5 equals 5. So we have 5 divided by 10 divided by 2, and we can write this part as 5 over 10 divided by 2. So we must keep the first fraction 5 over 10 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 2, which equals 5 over 20. And this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content today.